Yes, it's Papo, aka Lom the Ghetto, aka Multiple Flow. I live in Kermassas, I'm an artist singer, and I work on that with my friends, Africa into production. You know me? I'm going to give you my new acapella 2017. Yes, check it, man. Woo! Good night, don't be led for mercy. Man is not there, don't be led for mercy. Lenjo patulu life boge andara lenjo patulu life woju boge gena kono do sama wa ai amatul dog di khole wala nego free wa re yo sama wa ai Tegunane, undo bilada for meti, man gis nane, undo bilada for meti, nanu lenjo, fight to new life, when you go and the rock, nanu lenjo, fight to new life, when you go again now, before you do job, so my wife. Mr. Papo, aka Lom the Ghetto, Multiple Flow. Peace out. Check it.